Few cars have a history as iconic as the VW Beetle. Commissioned by none other than Adolf Hitler in the late 1930s, the People's Car, as the Beetle was called back then, sold over 83 million units in 91 countries before its production was stopped in 2019. What's up, guys? In this video I am going to give you an impartial review when I am covering 5 best tires for the VW Beetle in the market. Which are the best for you? Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance or its particular user use. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. Number 1. Michelin Premier A. Wondering why the Michelin Premier A is our top pick for VW Beetle? Mainly because this tire can perform equally reliably on dry and wet roads. A silica and sunflower oil tread compound has given it the right mix of firmness and flexibility to tackle summer and winter conditions, helping it stay useful 365 days a year. The Premier AS also provides you with a plush driving experience. The credit for this goes to Comfort Control technology, which enables this tire to absorb vibrations and deflect the noise. Even with windows rolled all the way down, you won't hear much road noise. Wet traction is another area where this model shines, thanks mainly to the circumferential and lateral grooves, which have all but eliminated the risk of hydroplaning. That said, Michelin's EverGrip technology, which expands its contact patch on damp roads, also deserves praise. Pros: offers a comfortable and quiet ride, provides excellent traction on damp surfaces, can handle mild wintry conditions with ease. Cons: treadwear warranty could be better. Number 2. Cooper CS5 Ultra Touring. The Cooper CS5 Ultra Touring beats the Premier AS on several counts. While our top pick is back to last 60,000 miles, some sizes of this touring all-season tire come with a 70,000-mile treadwear warranty. This model's asking price is much lower too, meaning you won't have to break the bank to fit your VW with 4 of these. Unlike the Premier AS, which gives you no proof of its light wintry performance, the CS5 Ultra Touring has the M+S symbol telling you that it will perform reliably on snow and ice. Plus, thanks to Cooper's StabiliEdge technology, it may enhance your Beetle's fuel economy. Why then, you might ask, isn't this model our top pick? Because not all of its sizes are baked to last 70,000 miles. Pros: may enhance your Beetle's fuel economy, offers excellent dry and wet handling, performs reliably in light wintry conditions. Cons: below average treadwear warranty for V and H rated models. Number 3. Dunlop Signature HP. Exceptional high-speed stability. Check. Superior wet traction. Present. Precise handling and steering feedback. Absolutely. Given the fact that it possesses all these qualities, it shouldn't be surprising that the Signature HP is one of the best performance tires for the VW Beetle. Start with high-speed stability. The Signature HP mimics other performance tires by sandwiching an asymmetric tread design within broad shoulder blocks. Together with the notched ribs in the middle, these two design elements make this tire incredibly stable at speed. Then comes its wet and light wintry traction. Unlike many of its high-performance colleagues, this tire has inboard ribs, helping the built-in rain grooves with water evacuation. It also has more biting edges on its own than most 2 performance tires put together. Pros: is incredibly stable at the limit, delivers superior wet traction for a performance tire, offers precise handling and steering feedback. Cons: doesn't come cheap. Number 4. Pirelli P4 4 Seasons Plus. The Pirelli P4 4 Seasons Plus checks several boxes for the average VW Beetle driver. The first of which is that this model comes at a budget asking price, especially when compared with our top 2 picks. Secondly, Pirelli has slapped this tire with a market-leading 90,000-mile treadwear warranty, which translates to at least 7 years of road life. Then comes this model's excellent fuel economy. As is the case with most Pirelli tires, the P4 has a lower rolling resistance compared with rivals from other brands. This means your Beetle's engine will have to output less power to keep this tire rolling, translating into fuel savings. You'd also be pleasantly surprised with this model's handling. Bear in mind that this model has 2 fewer water evacuating grooves than its rivals, so expect relatively longer braking distances on wet roads. Pros: backed by a 90,000-mile tread life warranty. Low rolling resistance for excellent fuel economy. Offers a comfortable ride with minimal road noise. Cons: relatively long braking distances on slippery surfaces. Number 5. Michelin CrossClimate 2. The Michelin CrossClimate 2 is one of the most expensive tires money can buy. Yet, its astronomical asking price makes sense to drivers who do most of their driving on slippery surfaces. How can I be so sure? Because I have witnessed what its thermal adaptive tread compound is capable of. This dependable tread compound not only enhances this model's traction on wet surfaces, it has also shortened this tire's braking distances in the rain. In addition to doing all the above, the tread compound keeps this tire's rubber soft in low temperatures. This guarantees that this model's traction doesn't follow the dropping temperatures in winter, making the CrossClimate 2 a reliable performer in light wintry conditions. Pros: offers incredibly short braking distances in the rain, carries the M+S and 3PMSF designations, performs reliably in light wintry conditions. Cons: asking price may blow a hole in your pocket. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it going to make your life much easier.